Have you ever wondered how a single piece of paper becomes one of Southeast Asia's most respected currencies? And here's an even bigger question. What if I told you that the money in your hand represents a currency system worth nearly 2.7 trillion Thai baht in circulation, equal to roughly 15% of Thailand's entire economy? Today, we're uncovering the complete story of the Thai baht, from its historical origins to the ultra-secure manufacturing process that produces billions of banknotes every year. The official currency of Thailand is the Thai Baht, represented by the symbol B and issued exclusively by the Bank of Thailand. Current circulating denominations include 20, 50, 100, 500, and 1,000 baht notes. The star of today's documentary is the $500 banknote, instantly recognizable by its rich purple color, while the highest commonly used denomination, the $1,000 banknote, features a brown-gray design. But how valuable is the Thai baht compared to the US dollar? For decades, the baht has grown into one of Southeast Asia's strongest and most actively traded currencies today. Roughly 30 to 35 Thai baht equals about
Easy on the lift now.
Clear on the left, moving to Station 3.
Refined cotton fibers, creating the unparalleled strength and longevity required for the new baht notes.
In this highly controlled environment, the fragile sheets are transformed into durable banknote material.
The process begins as the massive presses apply the initial background layer. These intricate green and purple patterns are the hallmark of the new Thai Baht series. This ultra-realistic cinematic reveal showcases freshly printed Thai Baht sheets, highlighting intricate security features and the massive scale of the operation.
Robotic systems precisely apply the optical layers.